What's going on? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another video. It is FOMC day. It is FOMC day, baby. The wait is over. The wait is over, baby. It's FOMC day. And y'all already know we gonna be on the charts. We got about 30, 45 seconds until the market opens. Uh this morning I will probably be taking it easy because y'all know we have FOMC. This morning session we'll probably get one good move. But we got that morning probably gonna have one good move, and then we'll probably have some morning chop until FOMC at 2 p.m. FOMC at 2 p.m. So we're gonna watch the chart this morning. I don't expect a lot to happen on this morning session because I know everybody expecting the FOMC meeting. If you are new to the live, I do these lives to journal my trades, and I just go over my trades, and I like to mark my trades on my YouTube, and I just let y'all learn free, and I let y'all see what I do, see what I'm watching, and y'all can take some of the plays if you want to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, good morning everybody. Let me get a good morning in the chat, man. It's FOMC day, baby. The wait is over with. The wait is over with. Wavy B, what it do? Mason, what it do? Market is open. I'm watching a little bit. Eric, what it do? Garbear, what it do? Mindful Matters here early, what it do? Make sure my broker up. Who else in here? Keeping some settled cash for FOMC talk in case there is a crazy. Oh yeah, you already know FOMC, baby. That's what I'm waiting on. I probably won't even take any trade this morning. I ain't even gonna cap to you. I probably won't even do too much this morning because y'all know how FOMC day go. If you haven't experienced it, 2 o'clock, you need to be on your chart and you need to have power pulled up somewhere talking. You know what I'm saying? Shine, what it do, my boy? What it do? Eric say Amazon puts. Let's see what Amazon doing. But yeah, I would probably expect one good move this morning, and then probably not gonna be too much going on. Probably gonna be some chop until FOMC. So we're gonna watch the chart, see what's going on, for this first hour, and we're gonna see what it do. My boy said Amazon puts. Let's see what Amazon doing. All right. So usually on a regular day, if I don't see nothing too perfect, I like to wait about 15, 30 minutes. If you give me 30 minutes, then I'm going to be a real sniper. You know what I'm saying? But if I can, it's just me, you know what I'm saying? It helped me when the market is open, wait about 15 minutes just to see what the market does. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be just jumping into anything. But Amazon is giving a nice little candle right there. But like I said, guys, FOMC day, you'll probably get one good move early in the morning, and it's gonna chop. It's gonna chop all day. But 2 o'clock, when them interest rates come out, this market is gonna move, man. So y'all need to make sure y'all at the chart. You say you got an Amazon already? Eric ain't bullshitting. Let's see. Market only been open 4 minutes. Y'all know if I'm looking for something, I gotta find me a pullback. I want to find a trend, then I want to find a pullback. After I find a pullback, I want to find a containment candle. At the pass of the containment candle, that's when I enter my trades. Same way it goes with puts or calls. Same way, you want to find a pullback candle. That's just how I trade. I trade the trend. I want to see the trend, baby. Like I said, I don't expect too much going on, but let's see. Spy is over this 600 level. Finally, it was sitting there about 2 days. Yesterday we got right. Yesterday was actually some great charts. If you was in the live yesterday, we hit on 2 plays yesterday. I gave y'all 2 free plays we hit on. But y'all see what Spy did yesterday. Let me see the video. Eric said he trying to be done early. Did you get in them puts, Eric? I ain't in nothing, man. I'm not. I probably ain't even gonna trade this morning unless I see some perfect ass shit. I'm waiting on FOMC. I'm just looking at these stocks, guys. Looking at what's going on. Oh shit, Tesla. Got Broadcom dropping off a little bit. You see all them wicks right there? That's how you know Spy's probably. That's a pullback entry. You can get in on that right there, but I wouldn't. Look like it's finna fake out. You see all them wicks right there? It's going down. So basically, all the wick mean is the price went down all the way down and came back up. That's why you got a long wick, meaning Spy was rejecting its lows. You know what I'm saying? So it could be a fake out, but that's a pullback though. That's a pullback counter right there. That counter right there. But like I said, you want it to break your levels. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Pre-market high right there. That dotted line right there. Pre-market low right here. And the 602 right here is a weekly level, a strong weekly level. Let's see what everything doing. NVIDIA, AMD, kind of going a little sideways. Like I said, y'all, we could have some sideways action this morning session. Look at SPY. People might be early morning scary selling off. You said, am I coming back on live at 2? Y'all want me to come back? Let me know. Let me know. Decent move on SPY. Let's see if it breaks this pre-market low. Look at all them wicks on Apple. All them wicks going up. Look like it's about to curl and look like it's about to curl in reverse. Where's Tesla? All right, Tesla. We are on the 2-minute chart, guys. 2-minute candles. 2-minute candles. I go to the 5-minute candles at 10 a.m. If I'm still at the chart after 10 a.m., I'll go to the 10-minute chart at 11 a.m. Just my experience. They give me the best entry points, best moves. Y'all know on that 5-minute chart is dangerous. It gets dangerous on that 5-minute chart because I can really pinpoint my entries. You know what I mean? And if you just think I'm capping, just go look at my recent videos. You know what I'm saying? That's why I do all this live. Ain't no capping on live. I don't see how you can cap a live market, and how can you cap when other people in the live with you making money? You know what I'm saying? Oh, you made $80 on that Amazon put. Tesla. Look at that. Look at that. They faking people out. They faking people out. Everybody be anxious. I'm telling you, people probably jumping in. They getting faked out right now. That's why I'm saying I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Trust me, I know how these days go. I know how FOMC days go. Oh, let me look at that Amazon. You must have got Amazon put right off the open. Look like it's about to give another entry if we don't reverse right now. Another way you guys can tell if something is about to reverse, look down here. I don't think I ever showed y'all this indicator. But down here at the bottom is the volume. The volume. So if you see a trend starting, like a downtrend starting, you'll see a lot of red volume candles at the bottom. As soon as you see a pullback candle, if a pullback green candle is more volume than the red candle that went down, that's another indication that the chart could be reversing. See what I'm saying? So if you're in a play or you're in a downtrend or uptrend, same thing, and you got more volume on a pullback candle, that's how you know the trend is probably about to be over. Probably want to exit. But Amazon giving another entry right there. Look at that. Amazon, the first chart to break the level, break my pre-market low and NVIDIA. This gonna be the move. Hey, Google as well. But we wicked. You see, we wicked off of that 602 weekly level. That's a weekly level. Mark that on my weekly charts. See how we wicked? Google got a nice chart right here. Got a pullback. Google about to go crazy. Oh man. But we might have to catch a play early. Oh shit. Okay. Microsoft, Tesla, Meta earnings after closing. Yes, sir. I forgot about that. We do have earnings after closing, so I would not touch unless it looks great. Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon. Well, Microsoft, Tesla, Meta. Usually, right before earnings, you'll see a chart real choppy, and then when earnings come out, it'll make the big move. But it usually make the big move after the session. Now, post earnings, you can trade post earnings the next day, but you're not really going to get great moves before earnings, right before earnings, because everybody is anticipating the earnings. Okay, we got AMD moving sideways. It's 9:43 on the clock. We got look like some people got faked out a little bit. That 602 level is a strong level. But people right now are probably panic selling. They're probably panic selling. You say Apple tomorrow, all right. Panic selling because they're afraid of FOMC. I don't blame them, though. If you get caught in a lot of plays in FOMC, them swing traders, if you get caught in a lot of plays, look at it. Downtrend, containment candle, containment, or the pullback candle. You can get in right as this candle passes this previous red candle, this 942 candle. If we don't pull all the way back, that's a good entry right there. Like I said, I'm playing it cautious today. I'm waiting till 2 p.m. FOMC, and we got Powell speaking. Who was around last month when Powell spoke? Who was around last month when Powell spoke? Powell spoke on December the 14th. I think it was the 18th. Yeah, that's the 18th candle. SPY don't want to break that 602 level. Good call on the Amazon put, Eric. Oh yeah. You still in? You probably got out, huh? Yeah. Amazon, I would have had to wait. I would have had to wait till it came down here. That pullback counter right there. That's when I would have got in. I probably rarely take any trade off of open. You said you was on my way back to work, so Mister put friends. I learned a lesson. Oh, so it caught you last time. FOMC caught you. I luckily caught FOMC last time. I wasn't even interested in it, but I was listening to a Powell speech, and I just pulled the chart up, and voila, all I seen was come get this money that you see right now. The money is in the chart, guys. So you can listen to news. It's not a bad thing to listen to news, but the money is gonna be in the chart. Yeah, news will move the chart, but you still got to go look at the chart to see what's going on. I don't trade off of news at all. I don't trade off of news. Now, when something is going on in the market, all right, yeah. Now we need to see what's going on. Why is it doing this? Because you got to be in tune with what's going on. But I don't just stare at the news waiting for some shit to happen. Like, oh, Meta had some news. I'm gonna be on Meta chart today. Like, I don't be eyeballing the chart. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing all that. I do the same thing I do with every other chart. Wait for a setup. SPY need to break the 602 level for any of these charts to get busy. AMD is very weak. Look at all these wicks. Pull back entry on Google, like I just said. Pull back entry on Google. QQQ giving an entry. Should I take an entry? Let me see. I need SPY to break this level. Oh yeah, it's a lot of volatility in the market today. Prices ain't even looking how they supposed to look. That Google look good though. It's a good chart right there on Google. Yeah, see QQQ going back up a little bit. This is what we're trying to break right here. SPY. If y'all don't know SPY and QQQ, they almost have all the identical charts every day. Different levels, but they almost have identical charts every day. So if you see SPY doing something, if you're in a play on SPY and SPY getting rejected or a big rejection coming up, watch QQQ as well. And if you really want to get down in tune, if you really want a secret, right? SPY and SPX are basically the same chart. So if you see a play on SPY, you can really trade SPX and make more money. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that's an entry. Fuck, I'm talking. That's a good entry right there. Came down, retested the pre-market high, retested pre-market low, I mean, and now it just passed the pullback candle right here. QQQ about to get busy. Damn. I don't mind missing that. It broke my 21, so I figured it was a quick scalp. Oh yeah. Get your money. Don't overstay your welcome. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I tell people that all the time. If you get 30, 40% out of a stock and the chart go for 100%, oh well. Let it ride. You got your money out of it. You know what I'm saying? Can't overstay your welcome. That's how you give back gains. Trust me, I know I do it all the time. But not no more. I've been taking my money recently. Man, I used to just sit in there just to see how far it'll go up before it hit my stop loss. And then I always get rejected or something. I get to talking or something. And I just missed my exit. Get back a little gain. Not too much. I always maintain my stop loss, but any play you get in, you want to always have a stop loss. NVIDIA and AMD real choppy. Amazon, Apple choppy. It's moving sideways. Meta, Microsoft moving sideways as well, but Meta is forming a consolidation point right here. See that? Anything that consolidates for a long time, longer the consolidation, bigger the move. Longer the consolidation, bigger the move. So if QQQ right here doesn't break back above this pre-market low and just keep consolidating under it, you know you can use that pre-market low as a strong resistance, meaning you can trade below it. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this consolidation forming right here. But like I said, it could just move sideways like that all day. AMD look like it's waking up a little bit. AMD is breaking in that consolidation. Look at that. We got 9:52 on the clock. Got about 8 more minutes. We're going to move to the 5-minute candles. 5-minute candles. Yeah, we got a little sideways action right now. See that right there? No plays for puts for me right now. You know what I'm saying? See how that volume is bigger than the red volume? You see what I'm saying? That volume is getting more volatile than this one. That's how you know it's probably a reversal. And if you don't know, if you want to put volume on your chart, all you gotta do is go to the indicator, type in volume. And these are my settings right here for volume. I really just use the default settings on most of them. But yeah, it's right here at the bottom. That's an indicator. AMD just got rejected. Y'all just rolling into the live, man. Probably taking it easy this morning. FOMC meeting is at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. And then at 2:30, Powell will speak. When Powell speaks, I'm telling you, you need to be by your chart. I'm telling you, it's gonna be free money just sitting there saying, "Come get me." You're gonna see a lot of volatility. I'm talking about a lot. Don't say I ain't warn you. Y'all see this sideways action right here? I told y'all don't be surprised at the sideways action. If you do take a trade, I will take a quick scalp. Get your money, get out of there. FOMC is probably choppy action. No one really in the market. Everybody waiting for Powell. Powell to speech. Powell speech. Everybody waiting on that. Man. You see how it's holding at 602 weekly level. 602 weekly level. We holding. Five more minutes. 5 more minutes, we'll move to the 5 minute. Sideways action, man. Sideways action. This is what you don't trade. When you see some shit like this, you don't want to trade it. You want to see vertical candles going down or up. That's how you know that's the trend. There's a trend. You want to see vertical candles. Anything just moving sideways. This right here is telling you, hey, come get your money taken. This right here, come get your money taken. Come put your money in. Let's take some of your money. This is what that's telling me right now. I would not even touch any of that right now. If I pulled up my laptop, seen all the charts like that, and it just do that for like 30 minutes, I'll close the laptop and come back the next day. Or come back later because it ain't a great day when you see a lot of chop. You don't want to trade that nasty chop. Meta came down, went back up. It might bounce off VWAP right here. You see how SPY's starting to wick off of that VWAP. Let's see if it goes up and get rejected again. 9:56 on the clock. Now, if I see something perfect, yeah, you best believe I'll take it. But I ain't really seen nothing yet, to be honest. Amazon has got below this pre-market low, and you see how it's holding, right? Consolidating and holding the pre-market low. It never went back above this pre-market low. Any push off of that, that's going to be a good move on Amazon. Down, it'll continue that downtrend because it started off with a big wick. Damn, I wish I would have seen that big rejection right there. That's probably what Eric seen. Seen that big rejection. It got under open price level. Open price level is always a strong level. And you could have got an entry. Just like yesterday. We got an entry right off of open price level yesterday. Let me pull it up. I think it was on a 2 minute. No, it was on a 5 minute. Right here. We did the same thing yesterday. Yesterday, charts went down. We got money going down on QQQ and got out. We waited. Chart went back up, reversed. Soon as we hit open price level, that yellow line right there, we took an entry. Stop loss below the open price level. And we got right there. That was about 20-30% right there. And we got out soon as it hit that 602 weekly level, the same level that it can't get across right now, the same level that it keeps rejecting right now. Oh man, Amazon about to do the move. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5 minute candles. 5 minute. Boy, the Amazon look good. All right, 5 minute. Let me get these other charts right. All right. Damn, looking at Amazon. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna blow my nose. All right, we back. Oh, Amazon made the move. Damn. It's still playing around though. Look at that bullshit. See, that's how you get faked out right there. That's how you get faked out right there. Nope, I'm good. The AMD looking good though. Could have got AMD off of that open price level. IWM. Damn. Okay. $227, $226. So they moved $1 off of open price level. Yeah, that chart and already took off. You had to wait on that one. Look like SPY finna do that same thing. If SPY can get over this open price level and that 200 moving average level, that 200 moving average, that's another strong indicator you want on your chart. 200 moving average. You see how we keep getting knocked down off of this 200 moving average? That orange line, that's 200 moving average. Every time I talk about an indicator, I just like to give y'all the settings, and I like to give y'all which indicator it is so you can put it on your chart. Why my indicator's not popping up? Oh, it's right here. It's regular, simple moving average. That's all it is. SMA. Type in SMA, go to inputs on length. You want to put 200. Put 200 on length. Style, put whatever color you want. I put it bright orange and big and dotted just so I can see it, because I kind of treat it like Debo. Like Debo. Y'all know Debo out Friday. I treat the 200 moving average like Debo. So if you approaching Debo, you might wanna wait a minute and see what that 200 moving average, what the candle, how that candle reacts off of that 200 moving average, because that's a strong support or resistance level. If you are anywhere near the 200, goddamn IWM. SPY just going up, getting rejected, going up, getting rejected. These are 5-minute candles. So when you trading on 5-minute candles, you got to have a little patience. You got to have a little patience, and you got to wait on your move. Fifty-six seconds left on this candle. Let me look at that AMD. Oh shit. Meta look like it's about to make the move. If it keeps rejecting its highs, if we keep rejecting highs, If we keep rejecting highs, how SPY keeps going up to that 200 level and that open price and keep getting rejected, we probably can break. Damn, look at Amazon. I told y'all that was an entry. Downtrend, broke my pre-market low, came back up, retest, break and retest entry. It's the same thing as a pullback entry. All you do is just wait on the retest. Get in right off of the pullback candle. Let's see what SPY does. We're gonna see if SPY can regain this open price level and hold above it. Let's see if SPY holds above that open price level. That yellow line right there. Open price level. Here's my settings for that. Put it on y'all charts. All you want is the daily open level every day. You don't want the weekly, you don't want the monthly, you don't want the yearly. You want the daily open level. Mark it whatever color you want. I mark mine in a little yellow. You just want the daily open level. Those are my settings. So you see how this chart keeps bouncing off the open price level. Keep going up, bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off. You know, if we get above that level, because we bounced off of this for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes, we've been bouncing off the same open price level. You know, if we get above that level, it's a strong support level. All support means we have bottom support. See, we breaking it right now. Now let's see if we can hold it. He said QQQ puts possible, looks weak. Yeah, but look at SPY. I would want it to hold above the pre-market low. See how it's going back up above the pre-market low? It needs to break and hold above that pre-market low level. That's just me though, you know what I'm saying? 3 minutes on this candle. Let's see if SPY gets rejected. SPY needs to hold above that open price level. SPY holds above that open price level, it's gonna get busy. 2 minutes on this candle. Let's see if it holds that 2 minutes. Damn, AMD. Fuck, I was just talking about AMD. Like I said, guys, I need the perfect entry this morning session because y'all know we have FOMC later. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to have an early red morning. Not trying to do that. But I like this SPY right here. QQQ need to get in tune. AMD getting right, and NVIDIA still choppy. AMD, that's a good chart on AMD. Look at all them wicks right there. Ooh, man. All right, SPY. Yeah, if QQQ keeps wicking like that, though. But if SPY stays above this pre-market, above this 200 level and this open price level, I wouldn't look at no puts on QQQ. That's just me. If SPY stays above that, I would want a rejection. I don't know. I just love trading SPY and QQQ. Just because I stare at their charts every day, all day. You know what I'm saying? Not all day, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Every day I'm looking at SPY and QQQ. As soon as I open my laptop, first thing I'm clicking is SPY. I want to see what SPY doing because SPY is going to tell you what the whole market is kind of doing. You know what I'm saying? Now we could get a retest off of this open price level. All the retest mean is we break the level and then come back and retest it. You just come back and touch it, and you can take a trade right off the retest for calls. But AMD the only chart that then broke out this morning, like fully. I told you probably gonna have one good move this morning, and then probably gonna have a low volatility session. But goddamn, AMD, I used to like to trade AMD all the time. QQQ going to go off Tesla. What Tesla doing? Tesla just moving sideways a little bit. Damn, AMD. Got 15 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Tesla had a big rejection right here. Now this right here, hell yeah. I would take puts off of this consolidation break. Let me see what SPY doing. SPY holds above that. SPY holds above that 200 moving average. It's gonna make a difference. Damn. AMD. You can take AMD. You can take AMD right there. But I would wait on the retest. I don't know. What AMD got some news? Let's see what's going on. God damn. Apple waking up a little bit. 604 level on SPY. Let's see. 604 SPY. So yesterday we had a lot of consolidation right here on SPY at that 604 level. If you don't know what's going to happen to the chart, you can always look left. I ain't worried about AMD. Yeah, let AMD do its thing. I ain't had no kind of pullback or nothing. So right here we got consolidated yesterday on SPY. So it's probably going to consolidate right now too a little bit. But let's see. You see how we broke the open price level, and now it's retesting. You see that? It's retesting the open price level. Now, if it breaks back down under the open price level, you know it failed those highs. That's all that means. We failed the highs. So if you fail the highs and come back down, you're probably gonna get busy towards the downside. Big rejection. Look at that big red candle. That's a big rejection. Big rejection. You see that, right? Big rejection on AMD. See what I'm saying? They will fake you out today. They will fake you out today. Now that entry we took yesterday, that same entry we took yesterday, wouldn't have worked today. You know what I'm saying? Right above open price. Big rejection. Them QQQ puts, boy, you was right on it. My boy Eric been calling them out on the low. Y'all better watch Eric. That boy been calling them out on the low. He did say QQQ puts. Eric kind of like me. I'll sit and watch the chart, watch how it move. Soon as I see that bitch weak, excuse my friends, but as soon as I see it weak, I'm going to jumping in, baby. Like right now. I would have jumped in as soon as it passed. But I'm being cautious today. FOMC meeting later. You said you caught that SPY put. Okay. Y'all brave as hell today. I don't trade that chop, man. I just don't. I'll watch it though. SPY put. How much you got out of that? About 20%. All right. Nvidia is breaking a weekly level. That 124 is a weekly level on Nvidia. Let me check something out right quick. All right, it's getting rejected a little bit. SPY could get rejected and gain back that open price level, but we don't know. Look at that QQQ. I'm telling you, if y'all get in, you better scout. We better scout real quick, man. I'm not a great scalper because I can scalp. I can scalp something real quick, but I be holding because I be waiting on that. I know what a trend can do. Once you see a trend, I know what a trend can do all day. Tesla does it almost every day. As soon as Tesla starts its trend, you get in, it's gonna go about 10, 15, $20 a day. That's what Tesla can do. Not every day, but majority of the days the Tesla moving, it's gonna move. All right, let's see what else we see. What's going on? Yeah, this morning session probably slow. I might go live at 2 just for you guys, but let y'all know right now I'm gonna be tuned in. I'm gonna be locked in. I'm gonna be real locked in. Damn, if you got an AMD, boy, you getting some money. Kind of too late right now though. It only went up what about $2. That good. That's a good move though. Choppy action. Choppy action. Went up. Couldn't hold open price level. Came back down. We might sit right here all day until 2:30. Damn, AMD. Bro, I should have just took an entry on that. If it was any other day, I would have been in that. But it's not a bad thing to watch the chart, guys. It's not a bad thing just to look. It's not a bad thing. I used to do this all the time. It's not a bad thing to say, okay, I'm an imaginary, or you can paper trade. I wouldn't recommend that because all your emotions and stuff is out of that. I hate that. You need real money in there so you can feel how that loss feel. You know what I'm saying? So you can really feel it. You need to feel it. The market need to humble you. The market needs to humble the F out of you. That's how you gonna know. All right, I done took my big loss. It's time to get some money now. He said, come back at 2. I'll do that. AMD didn't fade that big spot. Hell no. AMD on some other shit. But you see them big wicks right there? AMD probably gonna reverse in a minute. I would think QQQ didn't even go. But this that 602 level right here. The 602 level is very strong level. Weekly levels. NVIDIA. Look at Broadcom. Big rejection off Broadcom. Broadcom and MU. I just been watching these two charts just because I'm probably gonna add them to my list of stocks that I trade. I just been watching them just to see their movements. I do that. I watch a chart for a good month before I trade it. That's just what I do. That's why you don't see me. I don't trade a lot of charts. I stick to 10 stocks that I know how they move every day because I've traded, I've lost money on it, I've made money on it. I've made mistakes on the charts, you know what I'm saying? And I just know what not to do on the 10 stocks that I trade. SPY, QQQ, AMD, NVIDIA, Amazon, Apple, the big boys. I trade all the big boys. Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Google. Think about it. These are trillion-dollar companies. You know what I'm saying? Trillion-dollar companies. If you can understand how they move, this can be your job every day. Your job every day. Look at it. QQQ getting rejected again. Look at this. You don't want to trade that. Like I told you guys, it's okay to watch the charts. Give me 1 second. But yeah, like yesterday was a great day to go off of yeah, see I be using my son pillow for a little back support. I'm a old veteran. I got a bad back. But yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, yesterday. So yesterday was a great way to go off of SPY and QQQ because every chart made a big bullish move. Mostly every chart made a big bullish move. So you can go off of SPY and QQQ. If you see SPY and QQQ with big green candles, I can trade AMD if I see the same thing happening on AMD right now. You know what I'm saying? Now because I didn't see that, and I looked at Spine QQ, Spine QQ not doing that. I'll just watch AMD. I just be that I just watch it that day. But majority of the days, if you see a big trend, Spine QQQ gonna have a trend too. New hours. But yeah, I'll come back at 2 for you guys. 2 for you guys. I might have my son with me, but hey, we still get that money. I done had my son on live with me. And we still gonna get that money, baby. That's the art of trading. You can be at home with your kids and trade. I done been laying in the bed and made some bands and went right back to sleep. Who don't like to do that? You know what I'm saying? 11 a.m., 10:30. But yeah, man, y'all know I'm gonna give these charts about 10 more minutes. Y'all know I like to get on here about an hour, see what's going on. You said you hit me on IG. All right, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check. I been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of hating motherfuckers in my DMs, thinking I'm over here capping. Like I said, you can go to my live and see that I'm not capping. I post games on my IG. I post what I make on my IG. You know what I'm saying? How can you fake that? Like, how can you fake that? You know what I'm saying? People don't think this shit is real. I try to tell you can press a button and make a couple thousands. People don't believe me. I'm pretty sure y'all in the chat, y'all right here, y'all know the potential of these option stocks, option trading. But yeah, man, we're gonna be waiting. We're gonna be waiting for 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. Oh, Eric. Oh, I did open your DM the other day. I was just going through all of them because I had like a couple messages. I did see your DM. I'm gonna hit you back. I did see your DM. I think you sent me a video. You was talking about something. Yeah, I'm interested in what you was talking about to see what you was talking about. But yeah, I got you, Eric. I'm gonna write you back. But yeah, like I said, I told you I don't be surprised if you see sideways action this morning. You might get a little move, not really though. Amazon. Look at Broadcom. See that 200 moving average? It's pulling back on that 200 moving average. Broadcom been moving pretty decent. I might have to add that to the collection. Sideways action. Apple kind of woke up a little bit. I just seen what Amazon. Too many weeks for me though. Nvidia breaking out of that consolidation. Paulie Vintage. Who that? Who that is? Never heard of that. Yep. Got some sideways action this morning. Nothing to trade for me at the moment. Nothing to trade for me. Some ugly movement right now. Some ugly movement right now. See, Tesla rejected all his lows. It's that 391. Let me look at Tesla right quick. 0 DTE contracts. 0 day expiration. That's what I like to trade. I love trading 0 DTE contracts. They just make you more money. Put it that way. All right, guys, man. Ain't nothing really going on right now. So we're going to call it a little early on this early session. I will be back at 2 for you guys. Be ready to get that money, baby. You say your business paid. All right, Eric, I got you. Look like we're about to break out of this consolidation. How much you want to bet to try to fake everybody out again? Oh shit, Broadcom retested, breaking that 200 moving average. That's a great entry right there. All right, let me look at QQQ. QQQ is breaking that consolidation right there. Look at that. Breaking the consolidation. Damn. Let's see what SPY do with this 602 level. Let's see what SPY do with this 602 level. I told y'all, any consolidation, any breakout of a consolidation is a big move. It gets you about 20, 30%, at least, at the minimum. But all right, guys, I'll be back at 2, man. Y'all hit me a like, give me a like for me. That's all I ask for. You don't even gotta subscribe. I don't even care. Just give me a like so I can get in the algorithm a little bit. I'll be back at 2, guys. It's your boy Clark. Y'all have a decent afternoon. I'll be back at 2. We're gonna be locked in for Powell's speech and them Fed rates coming out. But it's your boy Clark. I'll be back later.